What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Out, getting ready to do our mini for 6 spots in tonight's break. We're almost there. I think we got like 2 spots left. So here's your list, and here's your comments. We're live. Good luck. It is 10:31 in Newfoundland, and we got Terrence down to Clay. We're doing 4 randoms. Top 3 after 4 gets 2 spots each. Good luck. 1, 2, 3. Is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3 is 10:31. 10:31 it is. And last and final will do it. There you have it. Dustin cleaning up. You got 4 spots out of it, and Chad gets 2. So spot 3, 2, and 8 are your lucky spots. Dustin's taking home 4. Chad's taking home 2. Let's get your last and final timestamp. This one almost fills the break, folks. 2 spots left after the boys claim theirs. 4th and final timestamp on this one is at 10:31. And 10:31 it is. So congrats again. Dustin, you're going to pick yours. Chad will pick 2, and then Dustin's going to pick 2. Congrats, guys. We'll see you for the break. Best of luck. Thanks again.